Hello there! Welcome to Afro and Kinks. My name is Tiffany Rose, and it is a pleasure to meet who? You. Today, I'm going to show you how to get a defined, elegant, and beautiful twist out. But before I do that, don't forget to do the usual, like, comment, subscribe. You're going to need two things: a rat tail comb and an oil of your choice. You can use this type of rat tail comb, or you could use this type of rat tail comb. It just depends on what you prefer. You can use any type of oil that you choose. Today, I'm starting off with these 2-week-old twists. Don't judge. They look like they've been through all the trials and tribulations of 2020. But we're going to get it together. Now, you do not need this many twists. I personally recommend at least 8 to 12 twists per side. The smaller the twist, the better the definition. This is depending on the length of your hair, the density and thickness of your hair. Now for the fun part. You're going to take the oil of your choice and put it on your fingertips. Oil helps to reduce the frizziness and also aid in taking down your twist. Now that's on your fingertips, you're going to rub it in. Starting at the ends of your hair, you're going to massage the ends. Then the roots, and work your way down. You can do it as many times as you like per twist. I'm just extra, so I'm doing it more than once. Take your rat tail comb and start detangling the ends. Then you hold one part of the twist and unravel the other part. Look at this definition. There is going to be a line where your hair naturally separates. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your finger and go where that line is. See, that's where the line is. And smooth your finger down. Look for the natural separation. Place your finger and smooth it down. Oil on your fingertips, then massage the ends of your hair. Slowly work your way up. Use your rat tail comb to detangle the ends carefully. Then unravel. Hold one part of the twist and unravel the other part. Now that that's done, look at the definition, then pull. Natural separation, place your finger, then smooth it down. This is what you should not do. Watch. Yank. No, 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 no. Do not pull or yank your ends apart. Half of my head is finished, and this is what we are working with so far. One more time the right way. Oil on your fingertips, rub it in, start at the ends, roots, work your way down. Detangle with rat tail comb. Separate carefully. Pull one part of the twist to help unravel it. Do not rush when unraveling your twist. Now that it's separated, pull and you will see natural separation. Now you separate, put your finger, and do what? Slide it down. and pull your ends apart carefully. Other side, pull, natural separation, finger in between and slide it down, or in this case, up. This is the result. My hair is fluffy, my twist out is defined. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you like this twist out and would you try this twist out.